Every single day in America, over 330 million people wake up, get dressed, and step into a world that the news says is falling apart. But here's what they don't show you. There's a quiet revolution happening in this country. No signs, no hashtags, no cameras, most of the time. Just people, ordinary people, choosing to be kind. And today, we're going to take you on a journey across America to witness it firsthand. What bring forward? It started with 1 cup of coffee. In a drive-thru in Tampa, Florida, one customer paid for the person behind them. Then that person did the same. Then the next. And the next. For 11 straight hours, over 250 customers kept the chain going. It wasn't organized. Nobody planned it. It just happened. Because one person decided that a $4 cup of coffee could mean something more. Think about that. $4 changed the emotional state of 250 people in a single day. Strangers who care. Somewhere in a grocery store in Ohio, a single mother was counting coupons at the checkout, praying the total wouldn't go over what she had. She was $6 short. Before she could put something back, the man behind her placed a 20 on the counter and said, "Don't worry about it." She tried to get his name. He just smiled and said, "Someone did it for me once." That's the thing about kindness. It has a memory. It remembers what it felt like to receive, and it waits for its chance to give it back. Snow angels. In Rochester, Minnesota, a 17-year-old named Marcus started clearing his elderly neighbor's driveway after a blizzard. Then he did the next house. Then the next. By the time he was done, he'd cleared 14 driveways, and he never knocked on a single door to tell anyone. A neighbor caught it on their doorbell camera and posted it online. It got 20 million views in 3 days. But when reporters asked Marcus why he did it, his answer was simple: "My grandma lives alone too. I just hope somebody does the same for her." Tipping kindness. Maria had been a waitress at the same diner in Austin for 11 years. She worked doubles to pay for nursing school. One Tuesday, a couple she'd served left a $500 tip on a $32 bill. The note read, "We see how hard you work. Don't give up." Maria graduated the following year. She now works as a registered nurse at a hospital 6 miles from that same diner. She still has the note. It's taped inside her locker. $500 didn't just pay a bill. It told someone their struggle was visible. That someone was watching, and that someone cared. Kindness by the numbers. Now, you might think these are just feel-good stories. But kindness in America is bigger than you think. Americans donated $557 billion to charity in 2023. 77 million Americans volunteer every year. 63% of Americans have helped a stranger in the last month. The U.S. consistently ranks in the top 5 most generous countries on Earth. That's not a broken country. That's a country full of people who show up, quietly, consistently, without applause. The headlines might sell fear, but the numbers tell a completely different story. Kindness isn't the exception in America. It's the rule. We just forget to talk about it. The ripple effect. Here's what science tells us about kindness. When you do something kind for someone, your brain releases serotonin and oxytocin, the same chemicals that make you feel loved. But here's the amazing part. The person watching you be kind, their brain releases those chemicals too. One act of kindness doesn't just affect 2 people. It affects everyone who sees it. It's a ripple. And those ripples don't stop. They bounce off walls, travel through conversations, live in memories for years. You don't need money. You don't need a platform. You don't need permission. You just need to decide, today, I'm going to make someone's day a little better. Final statement. So here's my challenge to you. Before you close this video, I want you to think of one kind thing you can do today. Just one. It doesn't have to be big. Text someone you haven't talked to in a while. Leave a bigger tip. Compliment a stranger. Help someone carry their bags. Hold the door a little longer. Because America isn't built in Congress or on Wall Street. It's built in the small moments between strangers who choose to see each other. And if enough of us keep choosing kindness, this country, this world, won't just survive. It'll be the place we always hoped it could be. Thank you for watching. If this video moved you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. And drop a comment telling me about a time a stranger was kind to you. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Stay kind, America.